Varnam Ayiram Tamil movie summary in English. Let's begin. After an elderly Krishnan returns home from a haircut, he vomits blood in the bathroom and dies. His son Surya, a major in the Indian Army, is on the way to Kashmir on a rescue mission to save a journalist kidnapped by terrorists. He learns of his father's sudden death and tearfully reminisces about his past with him. Flashback to where we see a young Krishnan and Malini, who were both students at Madras Christian College in the 1970s. They fall in love and later get married, have two kids named Surya and Shriya. Krishnan and Surya get along more as friends than as a father-son duo. Years later, after Surya completes his exams in Tiruchirappalli, he meets the beautiful Meghna on a train back home and falls head over heels for her. But she does not believe in love at first sight. He goes to her house, tries again to fall in love with her, but then he soon learns that she is leaving for California to pursue her master's degree. Meanwhile, back at the home front, Krishnan suffers his first heart attack due to chain smoking. Reality strikes and Surya realizes that he needs to step up, be responsible in order to take care of his family. He starts a design firm with his friends and also performs at concerts to earn money. Both Surya and Shriya earn enough to complete their father's dream home. Later, taking his father's advice, Surya tracks down Meghna in San Francisco. Though surprised by his presence, she makes him stay with her. She eventually starts to fall in love with him. Convinced that he is the right guy, and also because her father would accept a person like him, she proposes to Surya, much to his and his family's delight. She then leaves for Oklahoma City on a project. As he travels to surprise her, she loses her life in the Oklahoma City bombing, leaving Surya depressed and heartbroken. A depressed Surya returns to India and meets a businessman named Shankar Menon on the way, who consoles and encourages Surya to move on with his life. Weeks pass by, Surya tries hanging out with friends and meets Priya, Shriya's best friend. She proposes to Surya and confesses that she was in love with him right from their childhood, but Surya does not reciprocate right away. In fact, her proposal just causes Surya to have a painful relapse of Meghna's memories to the point that he starts using drugs and alcohol. Krishnan and Malini find out about his drug abuse and lock him up in his room to rehabilitate him. Once he starts withdrawing, Malini encourages Surya to go on a rejuvenating trip, but on the condition that he returns home as a new man. Surya travels to Kashmir, where he learns that Aditya, Shankar Menon's son, has been kidnapped in New Delhi. He decides to find Aditya, and after days of roaming the city and investigating, he finds Dabbo Malik, who directs him to the kidnapper, Asad. With no preparation, he overpowers them and rescues Aditya. He receives critical praise from around the country and from his family upon his return home. Months later, Surya realizes that the only way to forget his painful relapse of Meghna's memories is to train his body and prepare for bigger things. He goes on a strict workout and joins the Indian Army as a commissioned officer. Now as Major Surya Krishnan, after 6 years, he meets Priya in Dehradun. She proposes again and this time he reciprocates. Surya and Priya get married and eventually have a son. Suddenly, Krishnan is diagnosed with throat cancer due to his smoking habit and is given a year to live. A few days later, Surya is called upon to go on a mission to rescue a journalist, which brings the scene back to the present day. The military mission is completed successfully, and Surya returns home victorious. He tearfully honors Krishnan and performs his last rites. Malini, Surya, Priya and Shriya pour Krishnan's ashes into the sea, and Malini encourages Surya to move on in life with his family by telling him that he is the conqueror of 1,000 elephants, just like his father, who conquered Malini and made her his life. Surya looks back and says that his father is still with them. The film ends with an image of Krishnan smiling at them and walking gleefully along the shores.